The Hat Man. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. I am the Hat Man, as you may have figured out. And today we are going to talk more Zune. That's right. Everybody's favorite music device. Yeah. If you guys could like, subscribe, hit the bell, and share the video if you want to, that would be awesome. So, when it comes to Zune, there are a lot of promotional units that aren't available to the public, or weren't, past tense. And I happen to have some. Now, as you might know, the current United States president is Joe Biden. And the previous president was Donald Trump. But the one before that was Barack Obama. And before his second term, before his first term, he was up against Mitt Romney. So back in the day, in 2008, there were conventions for the political parties, and they did, I don't know, political stuff. And at the Democratic and Republican conventions, delegates that joined were given gift bags, and I believe the people running for president also got the gift bags. So these are political themed Zunes. Yeah, really weird. Microsoft was playing every side, of course. When you gotta make money, you gotta please everyone. Let's unbox these little guys. These little guys that Barack Obama and Mitt Romney touched. I don't care if you like either of them, doesn't matter. What matters is we have Microsoft products that are branded after political parties. And that's odd, and we're here for odd stuff. So let's tickle these little odd Zunes. We're gonna start with the green one. So these are the second gen Zune 2s. Zune 2 came in 4GB, 8GB, and 16GB variants in the small form factor. Large form factor, there was 80 and 120 gigabytes. So inside you get the Zune. You also get headphones, the sync cable, and manuals. Here we go. That's the box. Nice and cute. Simple, yet effective. There she blows. We've got the green one. Ready and pretty much perfectly packaged. So, here you got a little tab. You just yoink, and then you can pull out your Zune. Here it is. And it's packaging. Look at that. Yeah, pretty neat design. Let's set that aside, and let's go through the other stuff that this comes with. You've got this as part of the package, and right here would have been the little thing that makes the alarms go off if you try to steal it, I think. Not quite sure what this is, but I think that's what it does. And then you got your manuals. Simple. Same as any other device. And then here you are with the sync cable. Oh, look at that. Little welcome to the social message on the inside. Pretty cute, pretty cute. And yeah, this is the pretty much the whole package. You want to take a peek at the sync cable? We can do that. Check that out. Pretty sweet, huh? Comes with these colorful little caps. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. And then here you got the Zune headphones. Here are the little tips you could put on, if you want to call it that. They're covers. These days, earbuds come with tips, but these are the hard plastic ones that just had foam covers. And, you'll see with the next package that these don't survive for very long. In fact, I'm gonna roll these back up before I destroy them. Whee! And here's the little buds. These are super cute. Hold on, I gotta figure out which camera I want to show you on. So I don't want to take the plastic off, so as you can see, there is a little bump and then a slot on the other side. That is so that they go together. I can't do that right now because of the little plastic that's there. But yeah, they would go like this. Let's show you on the other camera. Okay, let's put these bad boys up and let's get to the next unit. Oh yeah, I probably should show you the product guide, huh? Probably haven't seen that. It's not common. Here's a little first roadmap. It's pretty cute. You've got the little Zune Z, this cute little design with the colors in the background. That's Zune Orange and Zune Magenta. Just FYI. They did pick out particular colors. It's not just your standard orange and magenta. These are particular hex color values. I use that a lot in some of my designs and things because I just love the color scheme. It's a very good gradient. Then on the back is just the same thing in Spanish. Then this one, multiple languages, just a simple product guide telling you about safety stuff, and yeah, it's generic. This one's generic. Alright. Okay, folks, let's get on to the next one. So that's the green one. Here's the red one. Now this one I'm showing second because, well, it doesn't actually have everything in it. So I wanted you guys to experience the whole unboxing before this one, because this one doesn't have everything.
Thank you.
The hockey wager's been and gone, and as you know we want it. We'll make sure you don't forget with a DNCC sonnet. We love walleye, yes we do, sent from our contender. How nice to have a sample taste of victory in November.
Are you a superdelegate?
In fact, I am.
And who are you supporting?
I'm still weighing my options. Like to see how the primaries work out today. I think it's important for all.
So, standard box, same as before. And here we go. No wrapping on this one. But here is the design. I'll show you on the front camera, then on the back camera, or the top camera. And just like before, inside you've got some stuff, but not all the stuff. I'm missing one manual, the buds and their box, and the cable and their box, but, you know, it's fine. I have the actual main box that is linked to the serial number, so that's good enough for me. Okay, so this is what happens when you jimmy around foam stuff that is ancient. Yeah, it disintegrates. So foam does not last forever, especially if it's really thin. If it's really thin, and I guess made out of whatever particular foam this is, it will disintegrate. It disintegrates. Look at that. It does not look good. So there you have it. The Republican and Democrat Zunes. It is confirmed at some point Obama did have one of these, so that tells us that Mitt Romney also did have one. So at some point, the biggest political icons in politics in America had Zunes. Now, whether or not they used them for very long is a whole other question, and it probably wasn't very long. But hey, at some point, we could say that the President of the United States touched a Zune. Isn't that weird? It is. It's very interesting. So, yeah, I thought it'd be fun to have these, because that's a really interesting tidbit of history right there. It's not very, like, important, but to us Zune guys, the Zune fans, you know, it is a interesting fact to know about. So, yeah. Also, I did talk to whoever, the person that sold this to me, and they were a delegate there, and I asked about the gift bags, and they said that they don't really remember what was there, but the most expensive and interesting item was the Zune. So Microsoft showed up, and they really, really wanted to make sure that they had an impression, I guess. Like I said, when you're a corporation, you gotta make money playing both sides, every side, everybody's side. That's how it is. If you want to sell a product, you know, you can't just pick a side, because then you'll not make enough money. I don't know, I thought these were fun to have. I don't really care much about picking sides. I just pick who seems like they're out for my well-being more so. But yeah, cool to have. So once again, be sure to hit that like button and all that jazz. Share the video. Doing all that really helps out, and by doing that, you can help me further my goal to get monetized on this channel, and that will help me make more interesting videos, finding more interesting things to show off. Yeah, so I really appreciate anyone who subscribes and likes the video and shares it. Anywho, GFuel, if you would please sponsor me, I would be eternally grateful. Look, GFuel. That's you. Yeah. Now, there could be more of you in my life if you would sponsor me, god damn it. Anyways, I hope you guys found this little look into Zunes interesting, and these designs, because they were expensive to acquire. In fact, hold on, I forgot about a fun fact. Fun fact, I have a second one for the DNC. Yeah, that's right. I'm flexing. I got 2 rare Zunes of the same type. So this was from someone who I believe also was a delegate, because the stuff that came in the lot that I bought included this and other things that alluded to the person being politically active. So, delegates, I guess, found that were there, I guess, generally speaking, kept their keepsakes. Up until, you know, a decade went by. Or more. That's fair. That's fair. You hold on to something you don't really need anymore, you sell it. But this one I got for $20, and not by itself. I got several players in this lot, including this one. In fact, this wasn't even visible. It just looked like this, and I was like, hey, that's cool. There's a Zune, but what I'm really after is the Walkman, because there was a really expensive Walkman in there as well. And then lo and behold, this thing was a very rare non-commercial Zune. So that was cool. So I'm selling this one. I have this one that's boxed now. I don't really need the second one. But yeah, I did get this one first. But this is fully boxed and almost new, so yeah. I think I'm rambling too much. I'll see you guys in the next video. Let me know how you if you like these designs. I forget the terminology. Be bipartisan or partisan? Which one means be united? I don't know. Be united and just talk about designs in the comments. Because I like them both. They're nice and colorful. They're simple and get to the point. They're good designs. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!